Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how C++ reads in a series of strings from the user and then sums or gives out the total number of strings that have been entered when the user inputs the word done. To do this, first have to get our IOStream library and the string library. The IOStream library is for our input and our input and our output. And the string library is for the words that we are going to use. So first we have to get the int main function and then get our string input because we use string, the data type string, because the word we are going to the data we are going to input are words, so we use the string input. So input is the variable where we will store the word, and here we have int string count is equal to 0. So this will sum the number of strings that we have input. So to let the user know that he is going to input the strings, we have to write console out, enter strings one by one, type done to finish, so that the user will know that after he is done inputting the strings, he should type done to end it. So we are going to now use the while loop continuously to read user input. So while true, see out, enter a word, see in input. So over here, the user is going to input a word. So the console out will show him enter a word and the user will input a word. So if the input is equal to done, then the loop should break. So check if the exit condition is met. So if the input is done, which is the word that ends the loop, then C++ should break the loop. So if it breaks the loop now, string count plus plus, it means you should add all the words and give us the total number of words that have been written. So after that, see out, you entered string count strings before stopping. So the string count that has occurred here, let's say he has written 6 words. It will see out to show that you entered 6 strings before stopping. Then return 0 to end our code. So let's see how this works. Yes. So as you can see, the first one is enter strings one by one, type down to finish. So the first word we are going to write is mine. If we write mine is not done, it means we have to continue. We can continue. So let's write from. From is also a word, so we can also continue. Let's use if last now. So we can continue like this until we type the word done. So now let's type the word done and see what happens. So after we type the word done, now the loop ends because the word done breaks the loop. So now it shows that you entered 5 strings before stopping. Yes. So this is how to enter, this is how C++ reads in a series of strings from the user and then gives the sum of the total number of strings that have been entered after the word done has been inputted. Thank you.